Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to add tasks on Google Tasks. Now, if you want to add new tasks for your team to do on your business or your brand or your agency, whatever, it's very simple. All you need to do is log into your Google account that you use for your team or your business. And you can either use like what I'm doing right now, which is tasks.google.com. I'm using my Chrome browser, or you can have the extension from the Chrome store. All you need to do is once you're logged in, this is going to be what you're seeing for the first time. If you're doing it for the first time, you want to click on add a task here on the center, like so. So here it's going to appear where it's going to say title. So add the title here, right? After that, you're going to add the details. So this is where the details of tasks are put. So you can have text, you can add links, so on and so forth. And then afterwards, you can choose the time and date of where you want the task done. For example, you can click the calendar option here and you can just choose when, for example, 11, click done. So this is going to be for the 11th Wednesday of this month. After that, you're pretty much set. And once you're done with the task, for example, somebody in your team, okay, this is done. All you need to do, or all they need to do is click on mark completed. It's going to be under completed, as you can see here. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.